You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Now, I was in the process of cleaning this tank, well, actually doing some new water replacement. So I wanted to show you some of that. I have been taking the original little tank that came with the first kit. I dip it in very carefully, and I've taken a good chunk of the water out already because I want to try to clean up the water a little bit. And then I have a bucket off to the side, and you'll hear it. And I'll do two more. Whoa, look at him on the top. It's just amazing. Sometimes you see him just go absolutely crazy like that. I don't know if they know what's going on, that I'm working in their little area there. I think I can do a little bit more. Now I still have one of the little Daphne in there and one of the fairy shrimps and about 6 or 7 still of the Triops. And I'm always looking to make sure I'm not grabbing any here. And it's looking like it'll be at least another gallon or so of water. Now this one's heated up to the side. This is going to stir everything up, so I've shown you this process before, but we'll show it to you again. Now sometimes they say, I've done fish before, you put a little plate, you hold a plate over the top and you kind of let the water drizzle off to the side. So that's another option if you don't want to stir too much up. But I will just go really slow over here. God, he flips around. That one flipped around. Did you see him? Now it's not disturbing too much on the right side of the tank, so I think I'm okay there. This will take another 2 gallons at least to bring this up, so I'll have to get more from the store. Alright, let me do this. Let me give you a little more video of them just hanging out, eating, and doing their thing. And then when this clears up, I'll get some new shots for you. And I'll be back. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.